Josh Kozlowski has got all of them on outside on the weather deck, shorts, t-shirt, and a fleece underneath the suit. Josh?
Matt, you just have to give it all away, right? Megan, answer your question, I think, later tonight. Yes, evening, no. Just let us know what time to stop by and put our orders on the grill early before you leave, okay? Thank you so much. As we talk about the forecast here, we got one more nice day in this whole stretch, back since Wednesday. But anybody has a boat or a jet ski, you want to know the forecast? Take it away right here. We don't have many days in the spring and summer, and I've lived in central New York and Syracuse my whole life, where you always have a chance of a thunderstorm or the winds pick up or both. Tomorrow is not one of those days, so I would say harness, channel this weather. If you're taking the boat out, you're out at a camp, you want to go out just for a little while, go the whole day because the winds are looking nice and light. The waves here, Lake Ontario, 1 foot or less. Water temperature is still a little cold, though, in the low 60s. Maybe Verona Beach, Sylvan Beach, 3 Mile Bay here out to Brewerton on another lake. Yeah, light winds, variable 2 to 8 knots, 4 to 10 knots, not much at all. Waves there 0 to 1 foot. Water temperatures in the mid 60s. Borderline cold, warm, nice enough to jump in the water, but probably some folks will be doing that, right? And the wind waves out on the Finger Lakes looking light and lighter, but the UV index on the high end. So sunscreen will be required if you're going to be out all day, and reapplying the sunscreen. It's also something to consider and remember. It's 74 out right now at the airport in Syracuse. Very comfortable. I wish we could do the weather outside all the time here, but temperatures to our south and east in the upper 60s, mid 60s, Hamilton, and also 70 right now up in the Fulton area. The air is very dry, so therefore dew point temperature is a good reflection of that here in the 30s when the air temperature is in the 70s and 60s. Humidity levels very, very low. Nothing to report tonight on Live Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. High pressure, large and in charge, keeping our skies generally clear and our temperatures cool tonight. Not as cold as last night and this morning. To our west, on the backside of this flow, clockwise flow around the high. We'll eventually get the sun out again tomorrow with some high thin clouds kind of hazing it up, filtering the sun a little bit, and it'll bring in the warmer temperatures as well. Futurecast hour by hour this evening and overnight, temperatures kind of falling back off through the 50s. Eventually, I think low 50s, places like Syracuse, 40s though for rural areas, east, southeast, and the south. But no worries about any frost tonight. I know we had that frost advisory last night for Cortland County. Not tonight. 75 by noon tomorrow in Syracuse, and on my forecast high tomorrow, near and low 80s. Elsewhere, temperatures will be in the 70s. So really nice looking weekend day. Forecast tonight 52, but lots of 40s in the rural locations. How about the next 7 days? Let's help you plan out the rest of the weekend here. Saturday 82, Sunday 78, a lot of clouds more than anything else, maybe some sprinkles, maybe a little bit of light rain, not much. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you got to turn the air conditioning back on, 80s and lots of dry time. And next weekend, Greek Fest begins Thursday, takes us Syracuse Friday, off on a little bit of rain at times, otherwise partly sunny, highs in the 70s. Let's go take a look outside. Stanley Lost Skywatch, Regency Tower view. There's the pretty sky with some thin clouds, looking really nice. Head out for a walk after the news. Back inside.
Good idea, Josh.